Alright guys, so welcome back. I'm looking at the Boeing stock today. In the morning, there's a news. Well, they're still having problem with this Boeing 737 and some delays. No documents regarding that door. If you guys remember about Alaskan Airlines, where basically door just flew off the plane. So breaking below, stock is down 3% today, trading at 192. As of right now, at this price, market capitalization of Boeing $117 billion. If we take a look at the yearly chart, stock is down more than 20%. To be exact, maybe a little bit more than that, 25%-ish down year to date. Of course, into the year end, it did rally pretty big. And if you were someone who came in April, actually October, September, that's back at these levels. So if you take a look at a stock, well, 200 was acting as a support. And I was watching this 195 from 2023 as a support level. And we did break below this level. And here's what I'm watching for Boeing in terms of technicals. So here are the levels from 2023 that were acting as a support. And this is the uptrend that I was watching. So officially we are below that level. And as a support from here, as a local support, I will be watching 180, 178, 180. Below that, I will be watching this resistance from 2023, $170 level, which was resistance, support. And now I'll be watching, if stock drifts lower, I'll be watching that level as a support. So if you are not familiar with this name, I'm sure a lot of you are. 42% revenue, I think, driven by commercial planes, global services, same amount of percent, defense, space, security, 20%. Cash on hand, I believe they year over year has been declining for them, not as significantly, but every year they were having around like 15-17 billion cash on hand versus their debt at the moment about 50-55 billion. So ideally, I would be watching the stock to buy if somehow in the future it's trading around 120, but we shall see. But this is the really good support I'm watching, which means this stock has to decline from here a lot more, but we will see what happens. Options wise, well, market just opened, stock is still trading. Stats for today: 76,000 calls were traded, 94,000 puts were traded, and there are people who are trading calls for May 200, but I don't know if these people are selling these calls. Could be very well call sells to collect the premium, thinking that the stock will not go back up to these levels, or very well may be people trying to buy the dip off that news and think that this is a flash out and stock can just bounce from here. But if you're contrarian, yeah, year to date stock is 25%. Could be a discount for somebody right here, right now. But I'm watching the stock to put a low at a lot lower levels because it just broke these $200, 195 support levels. So I'm watching the stock for more of a downside, but I'm not seeing significant like a panic selling volume. Volume is not crazy, but we'll see what happens. These are the levels for Boeing to watch. Again, these videos are not financial advice, purely for educational entertainment purposes. Peace.